Brian here at 5 Star Engines. Well, we're all done with snow blowers. We're moving on to lawnmowers. We have a 174cc certified overhead valve engine. This is sold by a major Canadian hardware store. A gentleman brought the machine in, won't start. Same old story. Pulled the plug out. Yeah, that's not the best. He's kind of yucky. So we moved past that. We thought, well, okay, we're going to check the air filter. And I will tell you, this is the worst air filter I have ever seen in my life. I'm going to lay that on there. And I'll show you what a real one is supposed to look like. Oh, look at that, eh? Nice and shiny, foam element, clean. Okay. And this is the certified replacement part. And the part number is right there. See that? Used for 174cc lawnmowers. The number is 3994888-0. And it's only available at that major Canadian hardware store. So there you go, kids. And, you know, of course, the other culprit was it had last year's gas in it. So we drained that all out. Look at this. There's still stuff floating around from that. Stuff's everywhere from that air filter. We drained the gas all out. You know the routine. We had to clean the carb. Carb had water in it. And, yeah, we put the carb back. She's all clean, ready to go. New filter, new plug, and this machine will be good to go. So I tell you, you got to maintain stuff. Drain the gas out at the end of the year, and that'll save, you know, trips to the shop to get it fixed. Brian here at 5 Star Engines. Thanks for watching.